Are you thinking about getting a Turo? I'm gonna give you a personal inside walk through Turo because I'm gonna rent one. I don't want to be sharing a car with my wife, you know. It's Turo. I'm gonna go over the prices and everything else shortly. Before I go over the prices and everything and all that good stuff. All right, we off, ladies and gentlemen. Back to the action. Pretty much, let me just go over the price here now, okay? So, you had a deposit of $150, right? Deposit of $150 for 2 days. The car was actually about $100, and after all the tax, about $117 a day. BMW 2017. So, for 2 days, hey, is it worth it? Give you a little overview of what's going on in audio vision. Emergency things out here if you need a car, you know, you can't find a rental. Things happen with automobiles. You might be in between cars, like I found myself the first time I ran a car. You just might need a car for a week or a couple days or what so. So Vegas, I know there's a lot of people that come out to Vegas, so I'm really doing this for the people who want to save a couple bucks when you come out here. You need to get around the price of a taxi. I'm sure. Let's see what it is. The car drives great, right? I mean, it's a nice driving car. You can tell the guy takes care of the car. So the price of the car, like I said before, $150 deposit, about $117 a day. Got to get insurance on the car, which comes in with the Turo package. There's a standard, then there's a more of a premium package that you can purchase. We're car people. Everything you see on audio vision is going to be about cars, you know? BMW. I used to have a Lexus, so let me just play with this guy here. You know, we moving in the BMW. I don't want to get no ticket. You know, as you probably know, it moves. You know, I'm a car guy. This is a car channel. If you like cars, you're in the right spot. How else to explain that, you know? I know. So, and there's a lot of people moving here, and I'm gonna be probably your best tour guide for 2021. Audio vision. My next video, it's gonna be part 5. We're gonna jump right back into schedule with the car thing and talk to a couple owners out here in Vegas. Talk to a lot of different business people in general, just to see their opinion and how they feel about Vegas and doing business in Vegas and how great they're doing and if it's even worth it. Y'all see what I see up there? Let's see. Now you know I'm playing right now because this is a GTR, but this is a mountain while we out here. That's beautiful. This is called Highland Mountain. Highland Mountain. Beautiful spot, right? It's kind of a newer part of Las Vegas. It's been here about 10 years, give or take. If you like mountains, talk to you next video. Might have to go catch this guy here.